Hello. So, rather than, I need to take the tyres off the wheels so that I can paint the wheels. So rather than taking them to the tyre shop and paying money out to get them removed, there's a little trick I've learned. I got it off YouTube and it works a treat. So all you need are your wheels left out in the sun, which they've been out all morning, a spade, and these cheap tyre levers off eBay. I think the whole pack, 3 levers and the guards for the rim and a valve remover and a few valves and caps. I think they were about £10. So what you need to do is this. You need to break the bead. So usually there's a tyre machine at the tyre shop that does this. But if you get the tyres warm in the sun, like I said, and you get a spade. Now the tyres, I've let the air out of it as well. Now you just need to break the bead with the spade. And if you keep having a go at it, eventually it will go. There we go. So the bead's broken there. Go all the way around. Keep breaking the bead. Like so. So that bead's broken now. Then we get the levers and the rim guards. Put the rim guards like that. And then what we do is you get your tyre levers. That's it. We prise one up like that. Put them next to each other actually. And then we go again. Get the other one in there like that. Lever them both together actually. Get one up. That should work. Get the other one up. There we go. So we've got a section of the tyre out. And then we can just keep working round the rim. The fronts are a bit tricky than the rears because there's less room on the. There we go. Just pop that. There we go. That's good. Take the middle one out because that's the spare one with no pressure on it. And we can keep going around the rim. Got it. So now all we need to do is turn the wheel over. The bead won't be as hard to break on the second side. There we go. There we go. Tie's nearly off, and all you need to do then is get the lever on the opposite side and underneath. Just start prying it round. There we go. That's popping off now. Just keep moving and leave around. There we go, it's going. That's it, it's gone. There we go. Whoa. So one empty wheel, one very cracked, ruined tyre, and there we go. 2 bare wheels, ready to take them with me to the paint shop to get the colour matched and give them a good rub down, clean them up a bit with a Scotch pad, bit of wet and dry, mask them up and some etch primer on there and a couple of top coats of the gunmetal grey, and good as new. The wheels are in really good condition as well, so they just need a light rub down and clean the edges up. Perfect. Not my top tip, but a top tip I've learned, which is really handy and cheap. And once you've bought the levers for, like I say, £10, you've got them for the future. I've done about 4 sets of tyres with these now, so saved myself a fortune.